Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is okra soup. I am going to show you how I prepare this delicious native okra soup. Guys, make sure you watch from the start till the end because you are going to love it. All right, let's get started. In my pot, I already have my goat's meat and stockfish, which I've already cooked, like it's almost cooked. So now I'm going to add my dry fish to it and let it cook a little. So after that, I'm going to, of course, add my fish, my fresh fish. Remember, mackerel fish is also very healthy, the same with the dry fish and goat's meat as well. So in another pot, here is my okra, which I've already sliced, okay, which I've already cut. So I'm going to just cook it a little on the fire. So as you can see, I'm going to remove the fish now so that it won't scatter in the pot when I start putting the other stuff. So now I added the crayfish and then my dried pepper. So I'm going to stir carefully and then cover to let cook. And as you can see, the okra is finished cooking. I'm going to remove it and then show you what I'm going to do with it later on. So I decided to add a little thyme to the meat and then some seasoning. I'm going to stir, of course, stir carefully. Yes, remember, like I said before, my meat was already cooking, okay? So as you can see, I'm going to add palm oil to it, to the pot, and then I'm going to cover to let cook. I'm going to use this native pot to match the okra or to grind the okra, whichever way you say it. Yes, I really love this process because it gives it that unique taste and aroma. Okra is rich in vitamin A and C. It is also an antioxidant that help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. Okra is very healthy to eat, guys. It also controls the blood sugar. It also keeps the joint active and strong. Like, guys, it's just awesome, like what okra does for the body. So as you can see, I added the okra to the pot. So I added a little amount of water and then the rest of the crayfish and a little amount of salt. So now I'm going to stir carefully and then taste for salt. We are coming to almost the end of the video, so now it's time for me to add the fish which I removed before. So I'm going to make sure I stir carefully so that it will not scatter in the soup. So that's it. I'm going to stir carefully and then taste for salt. And guys, I tasted it. The salt and seasoning was just fine. It was just okay. So I'm going to let it cook a little and then I'll remove it. Remember, it is very important not to cook the okra too much. Yes, I decided to add onions to it, guys. Give it a try and you are going to love it, guys. Without onions, like the flavor, the taste, aroma is just everything. That's it, guys. That's how I prepare this delicious native okra soup you are seeing here. It is very healthy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. My soup is ready. So now I'm going to dish out my food and eat it with my pounded yam. So that's it, guys. That's how I prepared it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram with the same name, Mama Triple N. I am going to see you definitely in my next video. Don't forget to also share, like, comment. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. All right, bye.